Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be introducing a brand new subscription bag for you all, and that subscription bag is called the Ivy bag. This Ivy bag contains 4 to 6 deluxe size samples or full size products and is priced very economically at rupees 599 all inclusive. And friends, there's one more exciting thing. You do get a cash on delivery too in this subscription box, but then there is an additional cost that you may have to pay. So in case you want to subscribe for longer periods, there are subscriptions with discounts for a longer period. That is, a 3-month subscription will cost you 1530 rupees, a 6-month subscription will cost you 2875 rupees, and a 12-month subscription will cost you 4672 rupees. So without wasting any time, let us go ahead and see the bag. So this is how the bag has come in. It's a beautiful bag with a black and white leopard print on it, and the material of the bag is very nice with the Ivy bag logo here, and it's quite a big size bag. You can see it's bigger than my palm. So let us open and see all the products here. So I'll unwrap all of them. The first product to come out of this bag is this Makeup Academy eyeshadow, which is in a beautiful bluish pearl shade, and this is priced at rupees 650, and as you can see, the date of manufacture as well as expiry is mentioned, which is quite a long period, and it is a sealed pack. So let us open this and see. So this is how the shade looks, and let us just swatch it. So this is how the swatch looks. It is very pigmented and it is a shimmery finish. So it's a pearl finish eyeshadow, and when you order this bag, you can choose among the eyeshadows. There is one more shade to choose from, and you can make a selection based on your choices. So this was the first product. The second product that I received is this nail paint from the brand Major Crush, and again this is a nail paint which you can choose. There is quite a lot of selection here in this nail paints, and you can choose whichever one you like. I have the shade 103 with me, and this is a matte finished nail paint, I guess, in a lovely maroon color. So this is how the brush looks, and this appears to be a very nice nail paint, and this nail paint is priced at rupees 199. The next product that I have received in this box is the Fuchsia Citrus Blast Orange Lemon Soap Free Body Wash, and it is an 100 ml product. So we all know this brand, and it is quite interesting to see a soap free body wash. I'm quite excited about this and would love to try this out. And this body wash is priced at rupees 450, and I'm quite happy to get this. This is the first time I'm getting this product, this Fuchsia product, in any of the bags. The next product that I have received again is from Matra Skin Gourmet. I have never heard of this brand before. It is a 100% natural brand, and it is a lip care revolution. It has argan oil, frankincense, myrrh oil. So I know about the argan oil and the frankincense oil, but this myrrh oil is something I don't know. But yes, seems interesting, and I think it is in the flavor kiwi, and this too is priced at rupees 199. So it mentions that this is useful in treating, exfoliating, recreating, rejuvenating and moisturizing as well as nourishing your lips, and also that it is a cruelty free brand. This seems like a very nice product, and as you can see, so let us open this and see. So this is how it looks. It looks like a very classy packaging. I mean, it's a black packaging with this bright green lip care written on it, and this is how it looks. So I quite like when the lip care or the lip balms are in a roll-on tube. They are much more hygienic than the tubs that you typically get. So this is quite a nice product. The smell is very nice as well as the taste is nice too. I'm quite happy getting this. Now we come to the last two products that I have received. These are deluxe sample size products from the brand Anatomicals, and this was one brand I wanted to really try out. I'm very happy to get this brand in my Ivy bag, and the first one which I have received is the Anatomicals the Buff Stuff Citrus Body Scrub. It's a 10 ml product. product. And Anatomicals is a good brand. It has all paraben free formula. The next sample that I received is this one. It's Anatomicals Smoother Butts Love Coconut. It is a coconut plus mango body lotion. Again a 10 ml sachet, and I'm very happy to receive both of this sample size products. I was really looking forward to try them on, and I'll let you know once I try how I liked it. So these are all the things that I received in my Ivy bag for the month of February 2018. This is their launch month. In addition to this, I also received some cards, which is a welcome card. Then there is a share and win card where you can post your beauty treats with a hashtag in my Ivy bag and stand a chance to win Ivy bag subscription. And also there is a refer and earn scheme which you can use. So friends, this is all that I received in my first Ivy bag. So the cost of this bag is approximately 600 rupees, but guys, the first product itself, which was the Mua eyeshadow, is priced at 615 rupees, which covers the cost of the bag. In addition, you have got products like the Fuchsia soap free body wash, which is again priced at 450 rupees. So the total worth of this bag is approximately 1500 rupees plus, and you are paying only a price of rupees 599. I think this bag is absolutely worth the cost it is, and it's a good curation. There is a good mix of makeup as well as skincare products, and the brands which have been included in this bag are all natural and they are good known brands. I'm very happy with the launch subscription of Ivy bag. This definitely is a promising subscription. So guys, if you did like this Ivy bag, go ahead and try it out. I will be mentioning the to order link in the description box below. And with that, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Do share your love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.